Hello there! Welcome to Ink, Lead, Paper, and Thread. Today is a Halloween video! Yay! So I love Halloween, and so I wanted to do a diamond painting, like a little short, small one that wouldn't take long, but that looks really cute. And so I picked up this jack-o'-lantern diamond painting. It's small, so it's 3 inches by 3 inches for the whole design. I mean, the fabric is 4.7 by 4.7, but the design itself is just 3 by 3. So it is small, but that's perfect because I love doing short projects. I have a couple diamond paintings started that are longer, and so I'm working on those, but I really like the satisfaction of doing short ones, just because it's like you get to sit here, watch a movie, and then by the time the movie's over, it's done. There's just something so satisfying about that. So this, I wanted to put this with my other Halloween decorations, and so, yeah, so we're gonna do this today, and let's take a look at what's inside. Okay, so, okay, we've got the typical packet with all the diamond painting stuff. This is cool because I don't have yet a clear one like this. This is really cool. I only have the ones that are pink so far, like the pink, just pink regular plastic. So this is really cool. I don't know if you can tell, but it's sparkly. This comes with a little squishy thing, which I like. I actually don't have one of these yet either, so this is really cool. So let me put this on. Okay, it doesn't really want to go on right now, but that's okay. We'll put that on later. Okay, and then we have a gray little boat. Also cool because like I only have the green ones so far, so I like that. And then the wax. For this video, I'm going to actually be using the wax that I really like, which is wax by Diamond Art Supply. So I'm going to be using that, but this does come with a little piece of pink wax, so that's great if you don't have any other wax that you want to use. All right, here is it's so small, but it's so cute. So here's the diamond painting canvas. It's called Happy Halloween. And let's see. Here is it comes with like an instruction guide. Wow, this is a really thick instruction guide. My goodness. So in case you're new to diamond painting, then it shows you all the stuff that you need to know how to do it. And my goodness, this is really long. It's actually part of the reason why it looks so long is because it's in all these different languages. So it might look kind of like overwhelming or something to see all this, but it's actually just this column right here. So there's that. And then here's just a little pack which says what it contains. So, and yeah, if you want to pick one of these up, I mean, obviously I'm going to be posting this on Halloween, so by then you probably won't want to get this, but if you want to get a different one like it, I've seen other holiday ones, and so it's just Diamond Dotz, DiamondDotz.com. So there's that. And now let's look at the drills. Okay, so Happy Halloween. I always feel like I'm opening like some delicious candy sprinkles or something when I am looking at the drills. Okay. So we have this beautiful black color, which I'm assuming is for the mouth and eyes and nose of the jack-o'-lantern. And we have this beige color for the pumpkin stem AO2. we've got, and by the way, these are not DMC colors, so they're just exclusive to this brand, I think, as far as like, you know, the coating goes. Okay, so there's that beige, another kind of cool darker beige brown. Pumpkin orange, very pretty. Another orange, I like that. And we have a lighter orange. So there's all that. And this shouldn't take long at all. So let me set up my wax. Here's the wax I'm going to be using. I got this cute little glass container for it. This is, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. I will never get tired of this wax. So this is the blueberry pancake wax, which I have a review on, and I'll post a link to that down below, but I absolutely love this one. It's probably my favorite wax. And then I actually have a review. Shoot, you know what? I need to post it. I have a review. This is a melon. These two right here are the melon waxes from Diamond Art Supply, which they smell amazing as well. And I actually have a video review of these. I just haven't posted it yet. So I will post that probably after I post this video at some point. The funny thing is I have been needing and wanting to edit the video about this wax for like a month, and I just haven't had a chance. So yeah, so I'll post that because this is amazing wax. But yeah, so here's the Diamond Art Supply blueberry pancakes. I'm going to be using this today for this project. And I'll put these little guys back in their little cute little dish. Okay, and let's get started. Alrighty, so we're all finished here. This took about 45 minutes, maybe 47 minutes to complete. Really short project, and I just love how sparkly it is. I love how it came together. This yellow part was not meant to be decorated. It was just the pumpkin part. So look at that. Isn't that cool? Gorgeous. Gorgeous sparkle. Wow. This was really fun to do. So I bought a picture frame to put this in. Obviously I'm gonna have to cut it, and because I don't want this stuff showing. So let me go ahead and I'll try to do that right now. Okay, so I just used some of this permanent adhesive to adhere the design to the back of this cardboard, and now it's in this frame. And I think that'll go really nicely near my other Halloween decorations. I have all of my Halloween decorations set up on this little table right here. Just ignore, I know there's like blue tape all over the stairs. For a long time I've been having the project of needing to paint the stairs, and so the blue painter's tape has just been on there for a while, so just ignore that. Sorry about that. I have this cute foliage on the banister, and so I just have my Halloween stuff all here. Crow and my Goose Creek Halloween candle and all this stuff. So I think that this Halloween diamond painting will be a great addition right here. Just like that. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, please do feel free to subscribe, because I'm going to be making more like it with more diamond painting stuff, like little projects like this and also larger ones. And if you want to leave a comment, I'd love that, because I'll definitely reply. I love talking about this kind of thing, you know, diamond painting, love talking about it. So yeah, leave me a comment if you want to, and if you liked the video, please feel free to leave it a thumbs up. And that is all for today, but happy Halloween, everyone, and I hope you have a fantastic Halloween. I mean, as good as it can be during, you know, the pandemic and social distancing and everything. I hope it's as good as possible, I guess I want to say. So, okay, take care. Bye.